Hey guys, Steven the Salon Guy here, and today I have my model Jarely, and we are going to be using the Carbon Intense Activated Charcoal Hair Mask. So the Carbon Intense Activated Charcoal Hair Mask is very unique because the activated charcoal, what it does is it deep cleanses the hair, so it removes impurities, and also the other ingredients in the hair actually have a lot of great benefits. So I wanted to show you her hair before. What we're gonna do is we're gonna wash her hair, and I'm going to apply the Carbon Intense Hair Mask from roots all the way down to her ends. We're gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then I wanna show you guys the finished results using no product. So this is the first time we're using this. This is the before, and then we'll show you the process, and then we'll come back and show you the after. So here is the finished result from just using a shampoo and also the activated charcoal intense mask. I didn't use any blow dry serums. I didn't use anything when the hair was finished, no hairspray, nothing, just purely the conditioner. And the one thing I noticed right off the bat after we washed it was I combed right through her hair. There were no knots whatsoever. And she actually pleasantly mentioned that too. She goes, oh, there's no knots. And as you can see here, I'm brushing through this. Again, no knots, but what's incredible is that the shine in her hair. And her hair before definitely was a bit kind of damaged and dry throughout the ends. So it knotted up a lot. Even when I was washing it, there was a lot of knots. And this literally works right through effortlessly, as you can see. Again, it feels incredible. It looks great. And the great thing about this intense mask is that it's designed for thicker hair types like this, and I think the results came out absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, don't forget to follow Jarely here. I'll put a link to her Instagram page. Is that cool? Yeah. Will we do that? Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely check out the mask. I have one regular version for kind of more, fine to normal type or dry hair, and then the intense, the Carbon Intense, is designed for hair like this, very thick, coarse, curly, unruly, over-processed, and as you can see, it really makes the hair feel incredible. Again, I use no sort of serums. This is pure, right? Yeah. I'm not lying. I use nothing else except the hair mask and blow dried it, and this is the end result. So it's available for purchase now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.